Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about lemmatization. Lemmatization is the process of grouping together the different inflected forms of a word so they can be analyzed as a single item. Lemmatization is similar to stemming, but it brings context to the words. So it links words with similar meanings to one word. Text pre-processing includes both stemming as well as lemmatization. Many times people find these two terms confusing. Some treat these two as same, but actually lemmatization is preferred over stemming because lemmatization does morphological analysis of the words. In simple terms, when lemmatization goes to the root word, it goes to a word which is actually having a certain meaning. Unlike stemming, in which the root word doesn't need to be a word which exists in a dictionary. So what are the applications of lemmatization? Lemmatization is used in comprehensive retrieval systems like search engines, and it is also used in compact indexing. Now on the screen, you can see the examples of lemmatization. Rocks has been converted to rock, corpora to corpus. As you can see, it has been not taken to the root word like corp, but it has taken it to the corpus, which is the singular form, and perhaps all the sort of words which are related to corpora will be lemmatized to corpus, and better has been lemmatized to good. Otherwise, if it was in case of stemming, the word would be for better would be bet and etc. So that's how lemmatization is different from stemming. So one major difference with stemming is that lemmatized takes a part of speech parameters, POS. If not supplied, the default is null. And let's just take an example of the implementation of lemmatization using NLTK. Now in the example, you can see I've imported these modules, like from nltk.stem, I've imported WordNet Lemmatizer. Then I've created Lemmatizer instances by WordNet Lemmatizer. And I have passed print rocks, Lemmatizer, and I have passed the word rocks. So it will just, what it will do, Lemmatizer.lemmatize will take in the words in argument like rocks and will return the lemmatization word for respective arguments. So in the output, you can see rocks has been given as rock, corpora corpus, and for better, it has been given good. And the reason you might be seeing that better is returning good because in the additional POS parameters, we have passed A. This A signifies that we have passed an adjective, so it returns the adjective lemmatized word. Yeah. So I have pasted a picture so you can see the difference between stemming and lemmatizing. As you can see, the left side has been shown for stemming, and for the right hand side, it has been shown for the lemmatization. So for stemming, changing, changes, changer has been converted to CHANG. But for lemmatization, you can see all it has been changed to the word change. And as we all know that CHANG is not a word in the dictionary, but CHANG is the word in the dictionary. So that's the major difference between lemmatization and stemming. It changes to a root form, which has a meaningful word, which is a meaningful word. On the other hand, it is not happening. It is not same like lemmatization. It changes to a root form which may or may not have a meaning. So that is the comparison between stemming and lemmatization. So that was much about lemmatization.